Hey guys, we're gonna do a new series of Crazy Action Contraptions
From Lego. Do you ever stop talking?
No, not when I'm awake.
I see. Ba-dum. See next time, Sagan and Loki.
Yep.
Kids, you can do it.
Hi.
Hi.
This was a claw grabber thingy. Majigger. Let's see. You need
Oh, hi, all of you guys.
3 blacks,
Yeah, 3
And-
blacks.
6 gray ones.
This is the claw grab. The claw. Whoops.
Okay,
There.
how many gray ones you had so far?
I need more. I might not have enough.
You need another one?
I need another gray.
Okay. And then the next, step 2, you need 1 red one.
Yeah.
Okay.
There.
Okay. And then step 3, you need 2 red ones. Oh, and step 4 is a mini kit. Okay. Get you those pieces. And then 2 white. And the kitty cat. And a dance, 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 and a dance, dance, dance.
Wait, how do you hear me?
I hear everything you say.
Really?
Listen, I hear everything you say.
Do you know what I'm thinking right now?
That you're always talking?
No.
No? Do you ever stop talking?
No, not when I'm awake.
I see. Ba-dum. That looks cool. Does it? Oh, it squeezes already. Cool. Look at it go. Okay, that's your step 4 pieces. It's 2 mini kits.
Yay! Look at this.
I like it already.
It's
very
kind
cool.
of like a fence now. Look, it's like a
It
fence.
is like a fence. Okay, let's do step 4.
And I'm a kitty cat,
Five.
dance, dance, dance. Cat, I'm a kitty cat, dance, dance, dance. Cat, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, dance, dance. Cat, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, dance, dance. Cat, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, dance, dance. And I dance, dance, dance. Cat, I'm a kitty cat, and dance, dance, dance. And I dance, dance, dance. There. Ah, nope. Here. There.
Okay, then step 5.
This. You do this.
Looks like yeah.
Oh, mini kit.
Yeah, I have it ready. Goes in the 8th hole.
April.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, here's a little mini kit thing, and I will turn the page of the book.
Wait, hold on. I need a.
I'm just looking for. Oh, is that it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, it's not it. There's 2 pages stuck together. We'll get it in a second. Okay. Yeah. Okay. There's a long one. Okay, there's that. And then part 8, you need this.
Oh, wait, hold on. Does this go like this? I think that... Yeah, it goes like that.
Okay.
There.
Oh.
Now I'll grab the pieces. Literally, I'm gonna grab the pieces. Like
Okay,
this.
next part, right there.
Okay. Let me grab the pieces. There. There.
Oh, we're gonna have to pause for a second.
I've seen it.
Get that piece we need on the floor.
Oh, wait. Whoops.
No, don't. It's going. We're just gonna leave it.
It was blurry.
Oh. If it's blurry, you could do this.
I know. That's what I accidentally did. I'm a kitty cat. I'm a kitty cat and I dance and I dance. Cat, I'm a kitty cat and I dance and I dance. Whoa. Ready? I gotta grab this. What's that I grab? I'm gonna grab this. Whatever this is. Oh, yeah, right. This is the Anoyomatic. The real one, not the Lego one. Yes, I might have to do that.
Okay, I found one in your other Legos. We can resume.
It didn't even pause.
It's not supposed to. Let's just keep it going. Okay, this part.
Oh, you can also do it like
What
this.
about the next part? You didn't even do step 9. I was gone all the time.
Does it go like this? Does it go it's like this. Probably like that. Yeah.
It's right there, yeah. You gotta do it twice.
Kitty cat. I'm a kitty cat. I'm a kitty cat. And I dance. Now is yeah.
You didn't put the right pieces together.
What?
Look, it's a 6 and a 4 and a 6 and a 4. Ow.
What?
Yeah, it's hurting my claws looking at that.
Usually this works.
Does you need help?
Yeah, actually, hold on. I just need help.
Okay.
There. I'm a kitty cat. I'm just gonna fidget while you're doing that.
There. I broke it. Okay. So you just need to put the 4 on there.
Wait. Loki.
Yes, sir.
That isn't a 6. It's a 5.
You're looking at the holes on the side instead of the holes on the top. You have to measure Lego from the top.
I'm a kitty cat and I dance and I dance. That's sounds like a song that Perry Rep would make.
A little bit.
Yeah, time like
There's the other four. There's the other four.
And I dance. And I dance. This goes like. Do you hear what this is making?
Yep, it's going t. And that's the next one after that.
Kitty cat, I'm a cat, kitty cat, and I dance. Kitty cat, I'm a kitty cat. Kitty cat, kitty cat. Kitty cat, Kitty cat. Kitty cat. I'm a kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. I'm a kitty cat. And I dance. Cat. I'm a kitty cat. And I dance. And I dance. Kitty cat, I'm a kit.
Did you lose your spot, kitty cat?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you are still on number 10, but you've been putting together parts for number 12. So why don't you put number 10 together first? That's 11, and then 12 is when you put the handles in. Going 13. Okay, that's good.
0. Wait.
Put the thing you just made through the bricks.
Here.
Look at the picture. Take the one you just made with the little tiny wheel on it. First.
Yes.
The one with the little tiny wheel on it. There. See what it says? Put the thing you just made through this hole in both bricks. So the middle.
The middle.
Or
here. There.
Looks like you put them on.
There. I need another one.
You put them on backwards. Can I see it?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This.
Okay.
And there.
Yep. And then you need that other little wheel.
Ah!
Okay, and don't make it too tight.
Mm.
Okay, handle time.
Yay! This, like that.
Insert it from the bottom and then put
There?
a piece on top. Yep.
There.
Then you need another handle.
There.
We don't have another red one, just the gray ones. Unless it's on the floor somewhere already. I'm sure we'll find it when I step on it. Because that's how it goes, isn't it? That's how you find your lost Legos.
You
Gotta step on it.
There we go. Oh, wait. Oh. I see it.
You see the red one?
Yeah.
Don't hit your head.
It was
Under the microphone. Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
under the microphone.
Problem solved. Nobody had to step on it?
Yeah, nobody had to step on it. It's a good thing nobody stepped on it.
Yeah.
There's
Okay.
you.
Here's a grabber.
Let's test it.
Okay.
Right.
It grabs.
Yep.
Yep. Let me shake hands with it. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Lego grabber thingy. We'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Come back for another project.
Yeah.
Ah, you scared me.
Hey.
No. No. It's coming after me. That's enough.
Come back again for the next project. Try making some crazy contraptions with Lego.
Kids, you can do it.
Hi guys, it's Loki. Thanks for all your likes and comments and shares. Did you know we make safe, family-friendly playlists on a variety of subjects from other trusted channels too? No pranks, no gross-outs, and no bad behavior. Check one of them out here, or follow us on Twitter to get regular updates. See you again soon!